Hey guys, so from morning I've been getting a push from universe to come and channel a message for you, but I was not feeling my best, and I actually want to appear as my best self on my page, but then I realized I want to appear more real than best, because everybody will have their highs and lows, and as a human I too have my lows, but that didn't stop me from coming and putting this message over here. So I feel like it is something for other people as well, that even if you're not feeling your best, please put your best foot forward. It doesn't matter if you're not feeling your best, or if you're not doing your best, or if things are not going the way you planned. You still need to appear, you still need to put your best foot forward. I feel like it is a message for the collective. At the moment the collective is experiencing a death of an old self, a rebirth is happening. I know I have said this multiple times, but you will go through a multiple rebirths when you're going through spiritual awakening. So that the message that I'm hearing very loud and clear currently is that, baby, there is a part of you that is coming to an end. There are parts of you that are maybe you're letting go or dying or whatever. I don't like to use the word dying, but you are experiencing a death of an old self, and because you are experiencing a death of your old self, you are also going to experience death of relationships that connected you to those people. Like, if that part of you is dying, that relationship or that part of you that was connected to other people is also dying. So many people are going to be leaving your life, or since we were in a year of 9 also, parts of us, we were shedding old skin, we were shedding. So that old skin, there are even people or places or things that were connected to those old skin, or that made you like that frequency that you had in the past, that was connecting you to those people as well, or to those people, places as well, to those situations as well, and now it's coming to an end, and you may be experiencing a lot of grief. Give yourself some time and grace to just feel that grief. If you're feeling that way, do not run away from that feeling. If you're, subconsciously you are releasing a lot, so give yourself that time to just sit in a cozy spot, meditate if you want, sit in silence, or sit cozy with a book or some. There's a lot of time to get into action and your masculine energy, but this time is for you to come into your feminine energy, that is you nurturing yourself. Okay, you need to nurture yourself, you need to make yourself feel fine. I am here to remind you to awaken the feminine within you. Whether you are a man or woman, everyone has a feminine within themselves. So nurture yourself. If you nurture yourself, eventually you will find the right people who will need that energy as well in the future. You are making place for new people to enter your life, so do not be sad about the parts of you that have gone, and also do not be sad about the people who have left your life. They have come into your life, they taught you the lesson, now it's time to move on from those people. It is not that you are going to not miss them. If you do miss them, give yourself that grace to also miss them, but at the same time do not go back to the doors that were closed to you in the past.